Hi Indonesian learners, let's learn about how Indonesians use the slang word gang as I promised in my previous video. This slang word is viral among Gen Z on social media, especially TikTok, in the 2020s. But you still find Indonesians using it in vlogs, conversations, or even the comment sections. So, what does gong actually means? Now, let's see how Indonesians use gong in real video. Pay attention to the ending. Awalnya, gak ada yang istimewa. Istimewa. At first, nothing special happens. Mereka cuma main tebak-tebakan. They're just playing a guessing game. Mereka deskripsiin makanannya. They describe the food.
Ya, warnanya hijau.
Warnanya hijau.
Bulat-bulat.
Bulat.
Agak bau. Oh iya.
Agak bau.
Ada frozennya? Hah? Emang ada yang jual frozen ya? Hah? Impostornya.
Ada frozennya.
Bisa dimakan.
Bisa dimakan.
Banyak yang nggak suka.
Banyak yang nggak suka.
Banyak dijual di warteg.
Banyak dijual di warteg. Kalau kalian mau tahu apa itu warung, warteg, kedai, etc. dan apa bedanya, komen di bawah ya. Sejauh ini semuanya biasa aja. So far, everything is normal. Tapi tiba-tiba salah satu dari mereka bilang sesuatu yang nggak keduga. But then suddenly, one of them say something unexpected.
Bukan dia dari Jepang.
Bukannya dari Jepang. Jadi, semuanya mulai ngeraguin jawaban dia. Ngeraguin. So, everyone starts to doubt her answer. Cewek di sebelahnya yang pertama bilang dia salah, sebenarnya punya jawaban beda juga. The girl next to her, who first said she was wrong, actually has different answer too. Dia bilang jengkol, sedangkan yang lain bilang pete. She says jengkol, while the others say pete. Sekarang itu jadi lebih membingungkan. Now, it gets even more confusing. Cewek pertama tadi jadi nggak yakin dan bilang kalau makanan itu sering dipakai di sushi. The first girl becomes unsure and says that the food is often used in sushi. Terus akhirnya dia kasih lihat atau tunjukin apa yang dia maksud. Dan finally, she shows what she means. Ternyata itu edamame, bukan pete. It turns out to be edamame, not pete.
Sushi, kan? Itu mah edamame.
That moment, the confusion, the wrong guesses, and the unexpected answer at the end, that's the gong. So, when something feels perfect or satisfying, like that's the best part, when something is unexpectedly funny, or when something goes wrong but becomes the highlight, then call it gong. Gong banget. Or itu gongnya. The second video is an example of tergong. Awalnya, cewek yang bikin video ini lihat cewek di mall lagi kesulitan bawa banyak barang. Menurut sudut pandang dia, itu kelihatan kacau dan malu-maluin. Malu-maluin. In her perspective, it looks messy and embarrassing. Dan terus sesuatu yang gak keduga terjadi. And then something unexpected happens. Cewek itu lepasin jaketnya. The girl takes off her jacket. Dan ternyata jaketnya bisa berubah jadi tas yang bisa bawa banyak banget barang. And it turns out the jacket can be turned into a bag that can hold so many items. Momen itu ngubah semuanya. That moment changed everything. What seemed messy at first suddenly becomes something really cool. Tergong means unexpectedly becomes the most impressive or memorable moment. That's why she titled it Kejadian Tergong Hari Ini, the most unexpected moment today. So, tergong means something unexpectedly becomes the most impressive or memorable moment. But sometimes gong is used sarcastically like this. Hidup gong banget. Udah Pisces, broken home juga. It means my life is already so chaotic. I'm sensitive Pisces and I come from broken home too. So basically, when things get super messy or dramatic, you can say gong to highlight the chaos in a sarcastic, funny way, like saying, wow, this is big chaos. So Indonesian learners, next time you watch Indonesian content like this, don't skip the ending because maybe itu gongnya. The gong is that. If you want to sound more natural and Gen Z in Indonesian, don't forget to subscribe, like, and support our learning on my Patreon or Ko-fi and get the transcript of the video like this. The links are both in the description below. Also, big thanks for everyone who's already supported our learning on my Patreon and Ko-fi. Seriously, itu bikin aku makin semangat buat video-video selanjutnya yang lebih keren dan bermanfaat. Gimana? Gong nggak pelajaran kita hari ini? Makasih buat yang udah subscribe, like, dan nonton sampai akhir. Yang belum, silakan subscribe ya. Sampai di video selanjutnya. Dadah.